Hi everyone, this video is to show you kind of what is under the community tab on Nexudus. So you'll log in and this is just your dashboard. If you come over here, go to community, we'll start with the discussion boards. So these can be anything that you have questions about. We'll just try to start kind of a thread of people answering or asking questions or just kind of collecting knowledge. So we've started a few in here. You can follow them. Penny's already following them. And then if you have, something to say about simple practice, just write a comment in here and then other people will be able to see that as well. If you wanted to start a conversation, so if you look through here and say, oh, I have questions about, the location of Thrive or whatever it is, you can just start a conversation, add your topic, and then a message that can either be a question or, something as easy as saying, hey, any questions about whatever the topic is will just be in here. You can share it to Thrive members. And then just go down and once you fill out the rest, you'll be able to use that button. And then you can just start that conversation. And then you can hopefully have a library of information here over the next few weeks and few months as more people contribute. And then if you go, the other part of the community is our members. So this is our member directory. This is an internal directory. So this is just for anybody who has a membership at Thrive to use. And so you can go in and see who's new. Checked in is a feature that we don't have right now. But in a different video, I was mentioning that under your profile, there's an area where you can select some of these skills. So if these are something that you have expertise or certification in, you can select these as part of your profile. And then someone who's coming in and saying, oh, I'm looking for someone who has cognitive processing experience. I'd like to refer someone. Then these three people pop up and you can go and, check out her profile. And this is what someone's profile looks like, just so you know. And then give Amber a call and say, hey, I have someone I would like to refer you to. You can also send direct messages through Nexudus, which is really nice. Again, just type in the topic, the message, and then send it directly to that person. If you wanted to send a referral or you had a question for her or something like that. And so that is basically everything that is under the community, so our discussion boards and our members. Again, feel free to send me an email with any questions that you might have. Thanks.